it's your lady Patience Eclair Ugochukwu. I'm sure you're doing wonderfully well wherever you are right now. I need you to be good and happy for yourself and for all of us. Okay, we have wonderful lands available right now, and one of them is the new Banana HighLand that is located off Peter Odili Road and is going for just 6 million naira. So you can call me to get your plot. And we have another wonderful one that is already fenced at Golf Estate, directly opposite Golf Estate, and that one is going for 30 million naira for one plot. Yes, do you know why? Because if you know Golf Estate very well, you know that it's one of the biggest estates we have in Port Harcourt, River State, and is located at Peter Odili Road, Transamadi, Port Harcourt. So wherever you're watching this video from, you just need to put a call through to me on 090-342-96519 to get your plot. And let me not forget, for those of you that have a budget between 3 million to 5 million naira, we also have some properties at Rumukrushi around Tank area. Okay, so with any budget that you have, just be rest assured that you can get a property from Mercy Homes and Properties. Are you getting me? So call me. Madam Good News is here for you, and Madam Peku Africa Worldwide is here for you to always take you for inspection, and then you get your plot. Just call me. Even if you are not available right now in Nigeria, you can send someone to come for inspection, and we'll get you the plot, and your documents will be ready in just 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm waiting for your call, and the number again is 090-342-96519, and from here it will be bye.